We ask jewelers a simple question: what inspires you? Your answers have inspired us. Jewelers find their muse in motion, music, pattern, nature. Like you, we're not satisfied standing still. We listened. We kept innovating. We pushed our limits. We're proud to introduce Muse, a brand new, easy-to-use, high-precision wax 3D printer built to be the best and most reliable tool on your bench, so you can count on design fidelity at every step. From CAD to cast, concept to completion, pristine wax models capture every design detail. Support wax dissolves away, leaving clean, 100% accurate models for casting, and virtually no finishing required for the final piece. The best jewelry 3D printer by Solidscape and the best wax in the industry, plus visually intuitive software, mean you can now fully master your design and production. When you own a Muse, you own every step in your creative process. From concept to production to perfection. Find your inspiration. Find your flow. Find your Muse.